In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button to your Squarespace page. If you're looking to enhance your website with interactive elements, then this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll walk through each step together, and by the end, you'll have a functional, beautifully integrated button ready to boost your site's functionality. To kick things off, we need to log in to the Squarespace dashboard. If you haven't logged into Squarespace before, don't worry, it's simple. Just head over to the Squarespace homepage, enter your username and password, and you'll be taken directly to your dashboard. Once you're there, cast your eyes towards the list of your available websites. Scroll through if necessary, and select the website where you want the new button to appear. This will bring up your website's editing interface where all the magic happens. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the website menu that appears on the left. Look for the Pages section, which is where all your existing site content is organized. A little click here will open up a view of all your website's pages. Now, you need to choose the specific page where you'd like to place your newly designed button. Clicking on that page will open it up in the editor, allowing you to make precise changes to your site. With the correct page open, the next step is to click Edit on the relevant page section. This is crucial because you need to be in edit mode to modify or enhance any existing content. You're now in the perfect position to add a new block to the page. Go ahead and locate the Add Block button. It usually appears as a pluses icon, giving you a whole host of options to upgrade your page content. Click on this plus icon to open the Add Block menu. Once the menu opens, use the search function to locate the button block. It's worth noting that Squarespace provides a wide array of block options, so if you don't see button right away, just type it into the search bar to streamline the process. Selecting button from the list will add it to your page. Now that you have your button in place, the next step is to label it and add the URL link. This is where you give your button a purpose. Think about what you want your visitors to do when they click this button, whether it's directing them to another page on your site, an external page, or perhaps a download. Enter a clear and concise label for the button text, something that will inform your viewers of exactly what action will result from clicking it. After labeling, paste the relevant URL link to ensure a seamless transition for your visitors. Double-check the link for accuracy, and once you're satisfied, save your changes, and there you have it. You've successfully integrated a button into your Squarespace page and enhancing your website's functionality and user experience. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been clear and helpful for you.